The splashy fun of water balloon fights. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and wet world. The water balloon fight. This activity is not just a playful game but also a cool way to learn English phrases related to outdoor activities. Stick around as we unravel what it means and why it's so loved by people of all ages. A water balloon fight is an outdoor recreational activity involving participants throwing water-filled balloons at each other. The main aim? To get your opponents as wet as possible. It's a popular game, especially during hot weather, as it provides a refreshing escape from the heat. The phrase combines two key elements: water balloon, which is a small balloon filled with water, and fight, suggesting a playful competition rather than a serious conflict. To have a water balloon fight, you'll need a few simple things. Water balloons, small, rubber balloons designed to be filled with water. Water source, for filling up the balloons. A hose or faucet works perfectly. Participants, anyone willing to get wet and have fun. Outdoor space, a backyard, park, or any open area where you can run and dodge. Every game is more enjoyable with a bit of structure and safety in mind. Fill balloons with care. Make sure they're not too full to avoid injury. Set boundaries. Agree on a play area to keep the game contained and safe. Wear appropriate clothing. Expect to get wet and possibly a bit messy. Safety first. Aim for the body, avoiding the face and head to prevent accidents. Beyond the laughter and excitement, water balloon fights offer several benefits. Physical activity, running, dodging, and throwing improve physical fitness. Teamwork and strategy, working together with teammates develops social skills and strategic thinking. Cooling off, it's a fantastic way to stay cool on a hot day. Language learning, understanding and using phrases related to the game enriches your English vocabulary and conversational skills. Water balloon fights are more than just a game. They're an opportunity to learn, exercise, and most importantly, have a blast. We hope this video has soaked you in knowledge and excitement to participate in your own water balloon fight. Remember, the aim is to have fun and cool off. Stay playful and keep learning English in fun ways. See you in our next video.